JD Cap 26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we got a package here to open up. And Amazon. And this is the, let's see, MCFANCE, make it, blah, blah, blah. It's a case. It's a iPhone case. Hopefully it's the right one. And this would be a liquid silicone. And it's very soft to the touch. Very nice. And it's got the MagSafe ring right there. You can see. Okay. And what else does it come with? I don't know what this is. This is some kind of a cleaner to clean the case, I would assume, to wipe the case off, or the screen. Does it come with a screen protector? It does. Look at that. Comes with a screen protector you can put on the phone. I'm going to save that. And gifts and letter from the White House. Dear customer, we thank you for the purchase. MCFANCE team. And they give you little stickers. Also, I don't know what I'm going to do with the stickers. I think I'll give it to my neighbor's kids. Some cute stickers. I don't think that I'll put that on my case. I'll give that to my wife for the kids next door. I think I'll save the box and the screen protector, though. And the reason I chose this because my other case for my phone, this is for an iPhone 12 Pro Plus. Very hard on the fingers. It's got the on and off button there and the up and down buttons here, and also the cutout for the turn the ringer off, on and off. And the holes are pretty good size holes for the speaker and the microphone. Very nice soft core case. That's a nice, that's a screen cleaner. Use that to clean the screen, so I'm going to put that with the box. I'm going to link this in the comments below where to get this case for this model. They have other sizes, iPhone 14 and 13, and you can get it from that link. I'd appreciate it because the link will help me bring you more videos and help me continue my channel. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next video. Bye for now.